Compton was the American dream, sunny California.
I said, I don't wanna rap, but fuck niggas that's faking. I'm yelling Bonta's most wanted, but we like Bonta's most hated. Me wacko sliding on Dayton's. I'm from the funk like in Dayton. I'm from the town where they riding, and real niggas don't bake it. It's hard for artists to make it, but gang banging is sacred. Some homegirls put in work, some other ones that get naked. I'm from the land where they say it, where they from with they fingers, and we not friendly to strangers. All red Power Rangers, hella active and dangerous. The county jail where they tame us, at least try to, but that just get us turned up insanely. Running phase in the back room and smoking bigs with my celly. Oh, it's bragging my rally. Oh, what you in for? They tell me you fighting hot ones is deadly. The hood gon' give you they medleys. Enemies wanna behead them. I never wanna go back. Tell all the homies say free 'em. Cells be filled to the back like playoffs at Coliseums. I hold it down for the hood. Don't turn my back when they need me. On Philly.
Are you ready?
I said I wanna relax and keep it fire like the Beatles, and keep the wax on the needles and only fuck on the free hoes. I wanna relax and kick my feet by the seashore and send that bitch for the real though and never front on my people. I wanna relax and keep it fire like the Beatles, and keep the wax on the needles and only fuck on the free hoes. I wanna relax. I said I wanna relax. I said I wanna relax. I said I wanna relax.
Are you ready?
Sweatshirt with the 3 fat creases, my denim sag too. Swap meet, fresh with the Airbus, I'm really him, fool. 10th Ave, slide through the biddy, I hit Markeem up. I used to hang with Ducky and Beam, we was on Norton Block. Pouring up a cup of the quality, I pop another bar, that's on the dead homies. Think we woke up the graveyard, I rapped 100 bars on that brand new Adolf. All the homies sliding like the MLB playoff. They see Adam with the Stetson, space age like the Jetsons. This pimpin' on mine like the first and the second. 2 fingers to the ground like, bitch, get the steppin'. I'm a stepper for my section, where it's wild like the Western shit. Wild like on Western strawberries, at the snooty shit you see in the movies. But this real life though, know some real live hoes who get knocked and leave they folks for a nigga with a phantom, but that's just how life goes. I said I wanna relax and keep it fire like the Beatles, and keep the wax on the needles and only fuck on the free hoes. I wanna relax and kick my feet by the seashore and send that bitch for the real though and never front on my people. I wanna relax and keep it fire like the Beatles, and keep the wax on the needles and only fuck on the free hoes. I wanna relax. I said I wanna relax. I said I wanna relax. I said I wanna relax.
Are you ready?